Men, this is for you. On the 28th of April, I would personally like to invite you along to our next Courageous Men event. It's going to be a fantastic evening. We're going to have food, we're going to have a film, we're going to play some games together, and we're going to have some discussion as well. It's going to be a really, really great evening. There's some forms at the back of the room which you can pick up on your way out of church today, or you can call the office and there you can fill that form in. Bring it back to us so that we can register you and order the food that you want on the night. It's going to be £10, but that price covers everything. And actually, if you buy one ticket, you can have another one half price for a friend. So that is a bargain. So please put that date in your diary, 28th of April, and get your form filled in. Get it back to us ASAP so that we can get you booked in for that Courageous Men's event.
When the weight's too much to bear,
on Sunday the 22nd of April at our 6 p.m. service, John Raj is going to be sharing his testimony and telling us all about how his life has been completely transformed by the power of God. So why not come along and join that and bring a friend along too. That's 6 p.m. on the 22nd of April. John Raj is telling us his story.
you're back now, hold on tight now.
Our usual Friday activities are taking a break for Easter, and they're not going to be back until the Friday, the 20th of April. So that's G-Force 180 and Noah's Ark back on the 20th of April.
Joy through pain, what this life brings. I'll sing your praise in eternal spring. Through joy, through pain, what this life brings. I'll sing your praise in eternal spring.
Listen up, young people, because it's back. Yes, the 180 camping adventure. For one night only, you can come and sleep under canvas with 180 youth. It's from the 10th to the 11th of April, and it's just £15 if you want to come and camp, and that includes your transport and food as well. If you want to go out while you're there, then it'll cost you £40, and you need to pick up a letter today that has all of the details and return it as soon as possible, because it's not that far off. 180 camping adventure in the Easter holidays, 10th to the 11th of April.
And I'm gonna keep on holding you. It'll be alright now. Hold on tight now. No matter what.
Thank you for watching.
Please check out our website.
Remember to follow us on Instagram,
Facebook and Twitter.
Have a really good week.
Bye!